Okay, our hard-boiled eggs are cool now, really easy to handle. Let me show you how to peel these. Okay. Instead of on the side of here where it could break into the white, I just like to go out on flat on the wooden board and just sort of peel the shell right off. If you're missing a little bit of shell, we're going to be rinsing these too as well. But see, the peel comes off pretty easily. Again on the board. This is how you make your hard-boiled eggs too. Okay, and the last one here. Sometimes even if you want to go beyond this recipe, just go ahead and make a dozen of these. They're great snacks. And as you can see, they're pretty easy to do.